In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use monday.com in just a few minutes so you can start organizing your projects right away. First, open your browser and go to monday.com. Click to sign up for free and either enter your email or connect your Google account. Once you're in, you'll be asked to create your first workspace. Think of a workspace as a big container for a department, project, or team. You can always create more later as your work grows. Next, you'll want to invite your team so you can collaborate smoothly. Click your profile picture, go into the admin area, and open the Users tab. Here you can add teammates by email and choose what access they should have. Now it's time to organize your work. Click the New button on the left and create a board. A board is where all your tasks and projects live. You can start from scratch or choose from hundreds of templates like project plans, budgets, or sprint boards to save time. You can also view your work in different ways. Switch between table view, Kanban, calendar, timeline, or even a Gantt style view to track progress visually and see deadlines clearly. To save time, you can add automations. Just click Automate, choose the app and template you want, and let Monday handle repetitive actions for you. When you want a big picture overview, dashboards let you combine data from multiple boards into one clean, customizable view. And finally, communication is built right into every task. Click an item to open the conversation panel where you can post updates, tag teammates, and attach files so nothing gets lost. And that's your quick start guide to monday.com. Once you set up your workspace, boards, and team, managing projects becomes simple and organized.